Okay, so hello everyone, very good evening, guys. Welcome to the live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Hi everyone. Um, okay, Yash, please make an end-to-end project on data science, please. Isa, please. Okay, sure, Yash. Thank you. Thanks for your suggestion to me over here, and I'll surely consider that. And as soon as possible, I'll just try to upload that similar project. Okay, thank you. Hi, Rahul. Pranam. Okay. Hi, welcome to live stream. Hi, Om. Welcome to the live stream. Hi everyone, welcome to live stream all of you. Very good evening, PHRG. Very good evening. So yeah, how are you people doing? How's the day going for you all? Or how are you all doing? Very good evening, Navneet. Very good evening. Welcome to the live stream all of you. Okay. Very good evening, Savi. Very good evening. Hi, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay. Okay, it's Bhoja Ling Gagan. Hi. Hope you are doing good. Pratmesh, hi Pratmesh. I hope you are doing good. Fun is AI, good all. Okay, good to hear. राहुल विश्वकर्मा ही देवी वेब डेवलपमेंट वर्सेस डेटा साइंस दोनों में क्या आसान है कृपया मेरा मार्गदर्शन करें राहुल टू मच ऑफ हिंदी राइट ओके Rahul, web development versus data science. See, web development is sort of very coding stuff. Okay, and data science, it is coding also, and rather than it is your, like, you make visualizations over there, as in like your I'll say the bar charts, pie charts, right? After that you have to come to a respective result for the same, develop the insights, right? So it's like all about that respective thing. So if you are too much into coding, go for web development, otherwise you can stay on to data science. Okay. Hi Mukesh, welcome to the live stream. Hi Aditya, welcome to the live stream. Hi Prateek, welcome to the live stream. Hi Anshul, welcome to the live stream. Very good evening Mukesh, very good evening. Hi Shrikant, welcome to the live stream. Hi Anmandi, welcome to the live stream. And thank you, thanks for asking. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking out. Great everyone, so I hope you all are doing super good and even are good at your ends also. So today's live stream, we will be making up some cool Python project with the help of some Python libraries, some Python functions. But before that, as you all know, I had started on my DSC, that is Data Structures and Algorithm series for you all onto the channel. So wanted in some insights from you people, like how much are you enjoying that series, what much more we can bring into that, or how's that particular series going on. If you people can help me out with some insights, it will be better for me to make the content much more like as you people want in that manner. So if you all can help me out with that same a little bit, then we'll be starting it for today. Okay, most welcome. Now, Rahul, what to say? Most welcome. I don't know in Hindi, so most welcome for that. Okay, Aditya. Navneet, I want to become data scientist. Which course are trying to make my dream true? See, Navneet, I won't take a name for any specific course over here. But what you could do at your end is that if you want a particular 6 to 8 months of course, so what you can do, you can go over any of the respective like edutechs which are currently into the market. There are 3-4 edutechs which are like mostly into the market. Okay, You can refer those, and you can check out the curriculum, the amount which they are taking, right, what services they are providing, and accordingly you can just go and grab up some good courses at your end. Okay, so curriculum should be like it. There are some things which should be there. It should be a 6 to 8 months of course. It should include Python, SQL, ML, statistics and probability, Tableau. Yeah, these are some things which it should require. It should have some coding exercises, some assignments, some projects also. And if it is all the things you're having, you're good to start with that particular course. Okay, that's all about. Hi Pratik, welcome to the live stream. Hi Prishuk, welcome to the live stream. Perfect everyone. So what I'll do, we'll start up the project for today. Okay, we'll be starting it up over here, and slowly and gradually we will have up the other conversations and the between only, right? So okay, today's project is actually, one of you had once said to me that do up a project for converting the text to PDF or the PDF to text. Once any one of you might have said that to me, right? I remember that. So now, so for today I am gonna take up that same project. Today what are we gonna do? We are gonna convert a PDF to a text. Okay, whatever things you're having into the PDF, all those we are gonna convert that into a simple text file. That is what our project of today is gonna be, right? So we will be dealing with that same respective thing, and we'll be starting out with the same, right? So now when I'm talking about converting a PDF to the text format, so first of all there is one thing that you should have, and that is a PDF with you, right? So everyone, whatever the PDFs you are having, take that PDFs at your end and try to put those PDF into a one respective folder where your Python file is there, into which you are writing up this particular code. So for my end I am using one of the, I'll say the IDEs, which is pycharm. Okay, so for that I recommend you all that you can start with pycharm, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, Sublime, Spyder, whatever you all want in. But there should be one thing over the pycharm and VS Code, that into the folder where your Python file is present, in that same folder your PDF should also be present, from which you are going to convert up into the text over here today, right? So that is what you have to do. And with that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to install one of the libraries. Okay, that is pip. Okay, I'm just writing the command pip install pypdf2. This is a command which you all have to go and write it over the terminal or your command prompt. So everyone, be quick and write this command over the terminal or over your command prompt. Be quick. Till the time I'll just read down some charts for you all. Okay, hi Hari, welcome to the live stream. Kshatriya Saurabh Chauhan, project name for today's live stream. Yeah, okay, that's converting your PDF to text. Okay, we can Avneet go to iNeurons FSDS. Yeah, iNeuron is also good. Yeah, you people can take in. Pratmesh, hi Pratmesh, welcome to live stream. Mahesh Pal. Okay, Mahesh Pal, which course did you choose? Okay, actually Mahesh Pal, for me the course which I had chosen that is currently not available into the market. It was some previous time available. Currently it's not at all available in the market, and that's the reason like I'm not telling anyone that which course I have taken, otherwise you'll go and search it out and you'll not get that particular course. Once it is again into the market, once it is again been launched, I will from my end update you all the course which I have taken. Okay, I'll update you. Pratik, I came here straight from your Josh talk. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Pratik. Good to have you over here. Hari, yeah, iNeuron is good, right, everyone? Mukesh, ma'am, as I'm a second year student and I'm doing coding, computer science, engineering with specialization in AIT, research in something that what should I read to get an internship? See, Mukesh, first of all, you need to decide that where you want to get in an internship. As in, if I'm talking about you want in a software engineering field, right, or you want into the data analyst field, right? So what you can do is that you can start developing up your skill sets based over the same. You can start doing in some certifications from the same, and start looking in onto the job portals as in like there are many companies which directly release up their internship forms, right? There are many companies which release up over the linkedin onto the linkedin there's a job profile option, right? So from there you can go and choose it out. So it's all over like that same only. You can just go over these different places, and from there you can search over your internships, apply for those. If your resume gets shortlisted, go ahead and give in your interviews, right? That's the procedure, Mukesh, which I'll recommend you. Pratmesh Didi, please make a video on roadmap for first year student, that what they should do from first year, how to focus on placement earnings side by side, how much to focus on college academics. Sure, Pratmesh. I'll just try to take that respective thing. Surely, I'll just like really take that particular thing into consideration. I'll proceed in with the same. Okay. Hi Vikram, welcome to the live stream. Okay. Om, let's do the project. So excited. Yeah, sure. Om will be starting with the project just a minute. Okay, Bhojaling, can a non-IT person switch to Python development? Yeah, absolutely. You can switch to a Python development. It's not that a CSE person or person from that particular field only can come over the data science field. Okay, so yeah, sure you can switch out. Perfect. So I hope that up till the time you all might have installed up the Spy PDF2 libraries at your end, right? Next time for importing up the library. So I'll just write import pypdf2, right? So what I'm doing is that I'm just very simply importing up your pypdf2 library, right? Now, next further what do I have? I have a respective variable which I'll take. And first of all, I'll be trying to read in that respective PDF for me, which I am going to convert up to the text format, right? So what I'll do, let's have a variable read PDF. Okay, so I'm going to open up that particular file first of all. So my file name is, one second, I need to check it out. Where has it gone? Yeah, it's datascience.pdf, the file name. Yeah, datascience.pdf. This is the file name, right, which I have in, and which I'll be converting up onto the text. I'll just show you that particular file also, just a minute. I have opened it. Yeah, so this is the respective file which I was talking about, and this is the datascience.pdf which I have in. It's a 2-page PDF itself. I hadn't take very long one. So see, it is a PDF, right? So this is that respective PDF which will be converting up into the text over here today. So whenever you are opening up any particular file, right? Whenever you are opening up any particular file, text file or any PDF file, so you need to mention that in which type of format you want to open it. You want to open it in the read format, write format, append format. Like what are the different particular formats into which you want to open up this respective file. So I'll be writing RB. RB means read binary. So because I want to convert up the text of this PDF to any particular text file, right? And that is the reason I am opening up this into over here to RB, that is your read binary. So with the help of the binary format, it will help me to convert this particular text of the PDF to one of my text files, right? And that's my one of the main reasons about taking up into this as the RB format, right? So I hope I'm clear up till this particular place to everyone over here, like what are we doing and how is that things being done, right? So if you people can confirm me any questions up till now, or is it clear to all of you up till this particular place? Just some confirmations, all of you. Okay, yeah, Mukesh, if you want to go into data science, so yeah, you can apply and take in the same procedure which I had told you over there, right? Pratmesh. Didi, how to know our own interest in ML, AI, data science, and how to explore the field, and from where can we place the best data science course platform online? See, Pratmesh, if you want to take in about the consideration that which is the respective field into which you have the interest, so what I'll do, just once try to go through the roadmaps of all the fields. Okay, so as in currently onto my channel only, I have a playlist which is named as roadmaps. Right, under that particular playlist, I have covered the roadmaps of all the buzzing technologies. Right, so you can just go over that particular roadmap section and you can just try going through that what is the respective thing that you have to do in AI, what's your role, what are the skill sets needed, everything. Try to check it out, right? And once checked in, then try to figure it out that in which areas do you have the interest. There are many people who do not have interest in too much of mathematics, right? So they do not choose ML or the thing, they choose data science, right? So just try to find in that what are the things that are suiting you over there, and then proceed in with the same things. Okay, that's a respective suggestion which I'll give you. Hari ma'am, I am unable to install PyPDF2. Hari, I'll recommend you just go over your command prompt and write the command pip install PyPDF2. P will be capital for Py and PDF will also be capital. Okay. Okay, Vijay, thanks for the confirmation. Okay, Pratik, thank you for the confirmation. Nikhil, RB, as I told now, that RB is one of the read binary modes. So whenever you want to convert any particular one type of file to the other type of file, you need to read that in the binary mode. Then only it will work in properly for you. Okay. PHRT, yeah, you can absolutely use instead of RB, you can use R, and yes, so that could be done in actually, but it's not that it is gonna work in for all the types of files. Okay, it might work in for PDF to text, it might work in, but not always it will be working. So for being on the safer side, use the RB. Navni, this is my first class of Python, so I am unable to understand anything. Okay, Navni, slowly and gradually you will be able to understand up the things, and even what you can do, you can start learning Python from the channel. There is a videos for the Python for beginners playlist is over there. You can go and study from that particular playlist. Okay. Okay, done. So we just have opened up the file into the respective mode, right? Moving towards the next. Now I'll be using up some functions from my PyPDF2 library to read up my file. Reader underscore PDF, one of my variables name. Okay, one of my variable names over here. Now that is equal to PyPDF2. Okay, PyPDF2 dot. It will be PDF file reader, the first function. Now this PDF file reader, this particular function will help me to read out my file. That is my PDF file, because we all know that currently here I have this PDF file and I need to read that first of all, right? So that's we are using up this respective PDF file reader function, so that it will help me to read up the file. And even I need to write in that what is the respective variable into which I have opened up my respective file. So for that we have read underscore PDF as a variable. Right, so read underscore PDF variable, we have opened up this respective PDF, and with the help of the PyPDF2 function, PyPDF2 library, a function from that which is PDF file reader, we are trying to read up this respective file. Right, so I hope I am like clear with this statement to everyone about like what did I do over here. And now next what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check out that how many pages do we have into this particular file of mine, right? So num underscore pages. Now that's gonna be equal to reader underscore PDF, because the variable into which I have readed up my PDF file, from that variable I'll check in number of pages. Num pages. So what it will help me to do, it will help me to check in and find out that total how many pages do I have up into my PDF file. Right away I did showed you that we are having 2 pages. Right, so that's not a worry, but it will help me to find in that in total how many pages do we have in for my PDF. Right, so for finding that same thing, you need to require up this respective line. So can I just get a confirmation from everyone? Am I clear with these 2 lines to all of you over here for the same thing? How can you help Pratmesh? Didi, please suggest best data science course on platform going on. Thank you, Didi. Pratmesh, as I told you, right, that you can just choose in any of the respective edutech platforms which are currently into the market, right? And from those, any of the particular platforms, you can like go for the data science course. Just check in all the things, all the availabilities, what things they are providing in, right? Are they providing all the concepts and the things, and from that you can start with the course. Okay, Pratik, PDF is a binary file, so we need to give RB, can be given for dot or can be, if you open PDF as notepad, it is not readable because it is a binary file. Yeah, absolutely right, Pratik. That's the correct thing which you have said in, because PDF is a binary file, right? And that's the reason you need to give it into the RB format. Correct, absolutely right. Okay, VK, thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. Thanks for the confirmation up till this particular place. Great. So this is like, I have up till now I have just opened up my file, read in my file, and just counted the number of pages of this particular file. Moving down, now I'll be using a variable, let's say, which is convert underscore pages, and into this particular one, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna like do one thing over here. Just see what I'm gonna do, right? So I will be just taking first for reader underscore PDF, from which I have readed the PDF, that particular variable, right? Dot get page into the bracket. I'm just gonna write num pages minus 1. Now what I am trying to do up over here, see the pages for the my PDF file. Let me show you how are the pages over there. Just a minute. Okay, right, so first page and the second page, right? This is how the pages are there, first and the second. See over here, 1 and then 2, correct? But my program, my library, how does it takes the pages? It takes the pages from indexing, and that is from 0, right? That starts from the 1, which is 0, right? So now what do you have to do? Let's say I am finding for the page number 5. Right, so according to my program, it should be page number 4, because in real the book page is starting from 1, right? So in that case, if I find in 5, so it will open me the page number 5. But according to my program and my libraries, it is starting from 0. So from 0, I will be wanting the 4th page only, not the 5th page, right? So always you need to do minus 1 over here, so that whatever the page you want to open, that particular page is very clearly visible to you, and you are just like very clearly able to like read that over, and there is no such type of a problem like if you want to open the page number 5, so you need to write 6 or 7 or some things like that, right? It's just very simple. Do num pages minus 1, and it will be automatically done, because here in the library, in this particular function, your page indexing will start from 0, but into your real PDF file, your pages have been started from 1, right? So from 0, whatever will be the 4th page, from 1 it will be your 5th page. So according to that, you write num pages minus 1, so it means that 5 minus 1, that will result your page number 4, right? This logic is like, you have to be a little bit careful while applying up these things about converting any PDF, reading any PDF, right? In any of the projects like that, you need to take care of, right? Perfect. Next, I'm going to use up the function which is extract underscore text, right? Now into that respective one, I'm just going to write convert underscore pages function dot. I'll be using up the function which we have up into this library, that is extract text. So what this particular thing will do, from my convert pages, that is my convert pages file, my convert pages variable, it will help me to extract up the text from that. See, it might happen that into the PDFs you might have the images also, right? You might have some images also in that PDFs. So you only want the text to be extracted, you only want the text to be coming up over your text file, right? And that is the reason we are just using up this particular function of yours, and that is extract text, right? So everyone just give me a confirmation, am I clear up till this particular place to all of you, like what I have done and how is that so far going on? Am I clear? Okay, Pratmesh Didi, I am also new on your channel. Please explain what content is available on channel, and from where should I start watching videos for current series. Okay, so Pratmesh, for that I'll tell you that into my channel you have the content related to your Python and data science, your Python, SQL, Tableau, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, DSA, everything you have it over the channel, right? So you can just start from learning the Python. That is my series of basics of Python for beginners. Right, from that series you can start learning the Python programming language, and you can refer up the videos for the same. Okay. Pratik, for communication skill, what can I do? Pratik, for communication, like it's just a matter of practice, okay? So I'll recommend you, you can just either practice onto the ways, or Pratmesh, I have on my video of one of my which recently has been put down over the Josh Talks English Spoken channel, right? In that only I told out some 4 ways which I have used in for increasing my communication skills, right? So you can just watch out that video and follow, you can follow up those respective ways or the methods, okay? PHRG, when I do it pandas, I just use period.read CSV file. I won't get the file showing file not found error. How can I save my CSV file in correct folder, or how can I call my CSV file to my VS Code editor? Okay, PHRG, what you can do is that just try to first of all check in that where your Excel file is, copy that Excel file and paste it over the VS Code folder into which you're writing the program, right? As you are doing up here for the pandas, you have taken up the PDF, you'll store that PDF onto the folder into which your Python file is present, into which you're writing up this particular code, right? Do the same thing for your CSV file also, and it will work out, okay? Okay, Pratmesh, most welcome. VK clear. Thanks for the confirmation, everyone. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. Great, so up till this particular place it is done. Right, now what next I need to do, I need to give in the location that where I want my converted text to be. So I'll write in over here location as my variable. Right, I'm going to open up the file for me. So read and inverted quotations. Now I have a empty file with me which is datascience.txt file. I did already made this file previously, right? So now what I'm going to do is that I'll just copy the path for this datascience.txt file. Okay, see from where I'm doing. I selected this file, did the right click over here. I'm having the option of copy path / reference. Click over that and go to the first option which is your absolute path. Click over that, right? And paste it up over here. This is how you can copy up and check out that this particular file is present where and at what particular place, right? And just adding these double slashes over here. Fine, so this is how you even have to write down the respective, you have to make up a text folder, a blank text file, right? That into which you will be storing up your text. So how to make that I'll also share in just a second. Go to your respective folder over here, right, into which you want to make in, do the right click, then go over the option of file and then go over the option for first option which is your file option, right? Click over that file option and you will get up a file, let's say ds.txt, right, ds.txt, and hit out enter. So a new text file has been created in for you. So this is the method how do you create up a text file, right? For me I had datascience.txt, so I'm going to use up that same particular file over here. Getting done. Now see here I have used up only R, that is my read mode, and the reason for that is already clear to you people, that because it is a text file and text files are always open in the read mode. Only PDF was open in the read binary mode because PDFs are being read as in the binary mode. Fine. That's the respective one thing. Great. Moving forward with the same thing, I'm going to write in location dot, I'm going to use up here the function which is writeLine. This writeLine function again it is into the PyPDF2 library, and into the bracket I'm going to use up the variable which is extract text. So extract text, this will help me to extract up the text from the PDF, and it will help me to write up the lines for that folder PDF into the location. And location, I have my location which is my place onto which my file is actually saved, my empty file into which I need to write up the stuffs, right? So that's done. And at last I'll just do one thing, location dot close, and that's the one thing that you always have to make sure that once you are over here and once you are open up any respective file or something, in that respective case it's better for you to close up that particular file, right? Because as in, if I take an example, whenever you open up a book, you close that book after the reading, right? It's again the same file thing here over here. When you will be opening up a file for doing any stuff, so for reading that thing, you have to close that also. Fine, so location dot close. Okay. PHRG, okay, Pratik and save in the current folder. Okay. Nias, can you make a project with data analyst? Sure, sure, Nias. I'll just try to bring up that particular thing further in the future. Okay, sure, I'll just do. Pratmesh, are you a UPSC aspirant? No, Pratmesh, for now I'm not a UPSC aspirant. I'm just like doing my freelancing for the data science. Okay. Bojaling, is it okay to pay 40-50K to I learn Python development programs from the market? They will teach day, Monday to Friday for 3 to 5 months. See, it's not very necessary for the Python development programs to take this over here. See, because if you're not gonna go for any specialization or any specific respective field, so I won't suggest you that this is a good idea investing up over here. You can just refer out some YouTube channels for learning that Python courses and the things. And once you have decided that you want to go into AI, ML, data science or deep learning, anywhere like that, in that respective case, you can take up a proper certification with a proper paying up of the amount and the things. Right, at the initial level, it's not needed to give this much of amount for learning the Python, right? You can refer my channel only for learning Python for beginners. Everything is quite covered up over here. Okay. RG Shorts, I'm preparing for J to get admission in engineering college of CSC branch. Okay, RG Shorts, it's very good and all the best for your preparations. Hope you get your dream college very soon. VK, why pay for 50K when you will learn from? Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, VK. Okay, most welcome, Navdeep. PHRG, when I code in Kaggle, I download the CSV file. I cannot open my CSV file. Why? PHRG, it might be a zip folder or something. Just try to check in whether is it a zip folder or something like that, or do you need to extract up the folder from there or something like that. Okay. Crazy Shorts, Matt, may make some live course on data and see EDA featuring engineering, etc. Sure, Crazy Shorts, sure. I'll just try to do some live streams on the same as well. Sure. Could you make the file location for variable location in 2 lines? Could you make the file location for variable location in 2 lines? Yeah, Pratik, actually that's like you can do that, but right now for this particular project it's not needed up, right? So yeah, you can just like make that into the 2 of those as well, and you can do the same thing, right? Okay. So here we just completed writing up our whole code. What I'll do, I'll just try to run this project over here. Let's check how is it gonna respond us. Okay, extract text, write. Okay, unsupported operation, not writable. Okay, 1 second. Line number 11. Okay, let's check on that one. Line number 11. What do we have? Location dot write lines. Okay, in the bracket extract underscore text. Let me check in for this particular thing. Data science dot txt, it's done. Location is equal to. Let me check in the other functions also. I guess I made some mistake over something. So convert pages dot extract text, get page num pages -1. Again we have the num pages reader. Data science dot pdf data science. Okay, let me check the exact path. Read C users, Lenovo pycharm projects, Python projects over here. Data science dot txt. Let me check in from here once. Where is that particular file for me? This is the data science dot txt and it's currently empty. Okay, let's try to run it once again from here. Let's check it, like how is it gonna be. Where is that respective one? Oh, perfectly it worked out, right? So might be something over there at that particular place. Great. So here we are having up this respective this respective text from my PDF file, right? This particular file over here we are having up at this particular place, right? And these are all the things which we added up into our respective I'll say the one Okay, and at that same place we were trying to have up the respective like mode and the things. So here append mode was not done, so here's the append mode which was done, and after that our file ran successfully, and now we are having up the all the text of this particular PDF which I was referring to you. Let me show you just a second. From this particular file we were having all the text right over here at this particular place, and it's all done. And yeah, that same thing, right? So this is how you can convert up any particular PDF file to any of the text files, right? Just for some one mistake, that is we haven't added the append function over here. So right, I added that and it's all good to go over here, right? So yeah. Okay, Crazy Shorts, and please make some live projects how to work in JSON files. Sure, Crazy Shorts, thank you for your I'll say suggestion over here. Nikhil, some random girl messaged me Python is best for hacking. Oh no, it's like Nikhil, see, it's all about like how do you deal up with the stuffs, how do you take that stuffs over there, right? It's all about your own way of taking up the stuffs and taking up the things, right? Pratik, have you given open mode for location? Yeah, done, Pratik, done. Gaurav, okay, Gaurav, if you can use up the headphones at your end, from next time I'll make sure the voice is pretty fine. Why use 2 slashes? PHRT, actually what happens that sometimes our file names are in such a manner, it can happen that there are some file name which is \n, like that, right? Here you are having some character with n, and at that time \n, this is one of the functions which you have up into the Python, and it will create up a mess for you to work with the file, or it will show you some errors, or it will take you to the next line because of that \n function, right? And that is the reason I have put up over here the double slashes. So just with that it will try to understand there is some file location which is being given, and at some time if it see \t or \n, then also it won't get confused with the stuffs like what is it and what is it not, fine? So that is how this things will work out. This is how these double slashes I have added up. Okay, most welcome Bhojaling Hindi. Gaurav Hindi bolo mein. Okay, so Gaurav, I was saying कि next time say like I'll try to make sure कि voice मेरी ठीक है, and for today if you want you can use up your headphones also to manage up the voice अगर आपको voice like audible नहीं है तो, in that case that was what I was saying. Pratik, 2 slashes is to escape the slash which is required in the file location. Yeah, right, Pratik. As I was telling you now that there are some functions which helps you to give in some spaces in between the text and everything. So just have to for removing up those stuff, that is needed at all. Sanjeev ma'am, is your SQL playlist is sufficient for data analyst? Yeah, Sanjeev, in SQL I have covered almost a lots of things, right? For the data analyst, I have covered almost all the important things which are over there. And yeah, you can refer at that particular playlist. Okay, you can refer that out. PHRT in some cases forward slashes is using. Yeah, PHRT, right, in some cases forward slashes are as well used out. Right, so even like for the sake of removing up that sort of any problem or something like that, it's all about key. We use in the I'll say the respective thing previously only, and right, you know don't know how the things will work out and where you can get in some forward slash or backslash. So it's better you can just use double over there. Never ever you will try to get in any respective error or anything like that, right? Pratik, depends on OS. Yeah, it's absolutely depends on to your OS or your operating system, correct? Nikhil, next live, please, live JSON project. Live JSON project, sure Nikhil, I have to try to consider, but one JSON project we did it into your weather app. If you have attended my weather app live stream, so when we had made in the weather app over there, so there we have just dealt out with some JSON things and over the things like that. So it's okay, I'll just try to consider that, and I'll just try to bring in some JSON projects in the next live stream. Okay, sure everyone. Okay, then great. This was a project which this was the project which we are over here, which we have done up over here, right? This was our project for today about converting up a PDF to the text file, right? That was all about the same thing. And right, so this is the method how you can convert one file to other. In the same manner, you have some more functions, some more libraries also, with the help of which you can convert one type of file to the other. You can convert text to the PDF file, you can make your own PDF file, you can add the text onto the PDF files. So there are many other respective functions also which could be taken care of, or which could be like done up over here. Okay, Pratik, using PyPDF to can we write PDF file from text file? PDF to text. Yeah, you can write PDF from text file, Pratik. That could be done in. Right, there are some functions which you have up into this particular file, and yeah, with the help of that you can do the stuffs you can do. Great, everyone. So whatever we were having in today, that has all being done. I'll just tell you what's currently going on the channel. So on Mondays we have some generalized videos, as in for about how you can do freelancing, how you can earn at an early age. These types of project videos are being coming on to the Mondays. On Tuesdays we have compilation of the videos, as currently the statistics compilation is going on. Wednesday, Thursday and Fridays, these 3 days are for your data structures and algorithms with the help of your Python programming language. Saturdays are your live streams, and Sundays you have up some informative shorts video. Right, so this is what all is currently going on into the channel all over. And if you haven't subscribed out my channel, so everyone, please very quickly go ahead and subscribe out my channel, and even try referring up the videos so that you can simply like learn about the DSA, learn about the data science, and you can get in your dream jobs for the same. PHRD, what is the real difference between one text file and one PDF file? See, PHRD text file, as it was like into that simply you can have in text and all the things. A PDF file is a sort of a binary file also, which you can see, right? And yeah, that's what is the difference between a PDF and a text file. Nikhil, errors I don't like, but errors likes me. Okay, Nikhil, just try to check in the complete program very clearly. It might that you might have missed something, or you might have missed this double like inverted quotations A, which I had mentioned up over here. Okay, so try to check it very clearly from where you had done the mistake, and hopefully that will be resolved very early. Okay, that's all done. Great, everyone. So this is all which I had it in for this particular live stream of today. This is all from like my side which we had in for today. Okay, so most welcome Pratik. So once again I'll say you, if you people haven't subscribed out my channel, go ahead and subscribe out my channel very quickly. And you can follow me on you can follow me on LinkedIn. The name is Shambhavi Gupta. You can follow my like you can find me over there with the Shambhavi Gupta name. On Insta it is Shambhavi Gupta 4. You can find me with this respective name over Insta. Twitter it is @FunWithDataSCI1. Right, you can just go over and check it for Twitter also. Right, so these all are my social media handles where you can connect with me, where you can follow me over, and yeah, that's done. Okay. Mohammed, how much Python to learn for data science? Mohammed, it's not that you require a lot of Python, but yeah, I'll say in Python your basics should be done, and after that it's just that you will be requiring somewhat, I will say, the intermediate Python, like your object oriented programming, right? Not too much but a little. Then it comes about your DSA of the stacks and queues, your sorting algorithms, your searching algorithms. All these things come up then into the picture, right? So this is what you will require up in the Python. Basics of Python is enough for data science, but then data structures and algorithms is the one which you need to take care of very seriously, because that's what will make you enter into the interview rounds further. Okay, that's all. Nikhil, please live 3 times in a week. Sure guys, I'll try to bring up more live streams in the week, and yeah, sure, things are getting planned. It's just that currently it's not that much of availability, but yeah, I'll just try to plan up the things soon and inform you all over the same. Okay, Okay, then thank you. Thank you so much everyone for joining up me into this particular live stream. Thank you everyone for being here. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new projects for all of you. Right, so thank you everyone for being here. It was wonderful having you all here. So good night everyone. Very good night. Take care and bye bye everyone.